How to automatically translate pages in Google Chrome. Turn on automatic translation so foreign language pages translate for you automatically. Let's set it up. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now look at the top right corner and click the three dots. From the menu, click Settings. On the Settings page, look at the left-hand side. Click Languages. If you don't see it right away, scroll down until you find the language settings. Now look for the Google Translate section. Make sure the option to use Google Translate is turned on. Next, check the languages you want Chrome to translate automatically. For example, if you want Chrome to automatically translate pages written in Spanish, find Spanish in the list. Then choose the language you want Chrome to translate those pages into, such as English. If your language isn't listed, click Add Languages and choose the one you need. To remove a language you don't want translated automatically, click the three dots next to it and choose the appropriate remove option. Once your preferred languages are set, you're ready to test it. Now open a website written in one of the languages you selected. Chrome should offer to translate the page, and with your automatic translation settings enabled, it can handle that language automatically. That's it. You won't need to manually translate every page one by one. If this helped you set up automatic translation in Chrome, like the video and subscribe for more quick computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.